Yeah. Louie Limestone.
Yeah, and it's Ricky the rapping rap. And you know how we roll. Louie.
Let me tell you about Rrocksss. Let me tell you about Rrocksss. And I nothing for your frass. Your brain all collapse. Just go on and relax. Make me tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. Just listen to the facts. Plug out the Xbox. Louie and Ricky, they are we I tell you about Rrocksss.
Yeah, my name is Ricky, and I'm a rapping rock, and I'm here to tell you how I got so hot. I was under great pressure till I reached the top. Before me boss him call me magma, believe it or not. I was flowing down the hill and felt a mental change. Now my name lava and things rearrange. Now me outside, the air cool me fuss, and start my life now as a igneous.
Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. And I nothing for your frass, for your brain all collapse. Go on and relax, me tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. Just listen to the facts, plug out the Xbox. Louie and Ricky, they are we I tell you about Rrocksss. Over the years, the weather elements break me up into dirt and sediment. I got washed away, then get delivered from the hillside down to the river. In this wet place, no more wasn't alone. There was more sediments in this wet zone. Oh geez Louise, them a push and squeeze till we get compressed and we turn stone. Plastic, chemical or organic farm. Rocks classified by the way them born. Evidently, it's elementary how the water cemetery and turn with sedimentary. Rocks. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. And I nothing for your frass. Your brain all collapse. Just go on and relax. Me tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. Just listen to the facts. Plug out the Xbox. Louie and Ricky, they are we I tell you about Rrocksss.
Just when me find my home, I'm set in my ways.
My surroundings are stress me from the other days. Whole heap of pressure, whole heap of strain, whole heap of heat. It a change my frame.
People say me look different from the way I was.
Not quite sedimentary, not quite igneous.
Changed by heat and pressure, so they call it that.
And that's how me became a metamorphic rock. Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. And I nothing for your frass, for your brain all collapse. Just go on and relax. Make me tell you about Rrocksss. Tell you about Rrocksss. Let me tell you about Rrocksss. Just listen to the facts. Plug out the Xbox. Louie and Ricky, they are we I tell you about Rrocksss. Tell you about Rrocksss. Me I tell you about Rrocksss. If you did listen to the facts and plug out the Xbox, you that hear we tell you about the 3 types of rocks. Rrocksss.
That was sick, Louie. That was slick. Man, you always crack me up.
You know us how we do it, Jamaican style.
Big up yourself, you know, Ricky. Big up yourself. Yo. Tell you about Rrocksss.